All right, step one, you need to take this bezel that goes around the frame of the computer off. By getting a small screwdriver and getting it up underneath and just peeling it. And it'll easily come apart all the way around the whole screen. Get it off, okay? Next, you're going to take 4 screws off from this screen. 1 here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's going to release the screen off of the actual back mounting. All right, those 4 are off. The screen will come off. That exposes the screen power and cable right here. Zoom in on that. Right here. What you need to do is peel this tape off right here, and then that's going to expose a small kind of clip thing. That clip then takes off and you peel it off so it springs up like that. That actually releases the video cable. Then you can pull the whole cable off right there. Okay? Then your screen, the broken screen, can go away. New screen, exactly the same thing, just in opposite direction. I'm going to put some foam stuff down. New screen on. You want to have this clip up and then plug the cable in. Make sure that goes in all the way. And then take that little tab thing. Where is it? Right here. Push that down. Make sure that latches on. Okay. Once that latch is on, then you just push the tape back down and your screen is actually ready to go. So mount this back up, replace the 4 screws again. Side one. Three. 4. Then you want to put your screen bezel back on and snap it in place. Sorry about that. So once you get that bezel completely snapped on, then your screen is ready to go. Let's make sure all that's snapped. Ready to go. Okay. And then I'll replace the battery and I'll show you that it actually works now. Press the power button, you'll see a fully operational screen again. And there we go. Powered and going. So that's a replacement of a laptop screen on a Dell Inspiron 15 5100 series.